If you're seeing the error that says x.com or Twitter verify phone attempts exceeded, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it and avoid making the problem worse. This usually happens when you've requested too many verification codes or tried to log in too many times in a short period, and X temporarily locks further attempts to protect the account. So the first thing you need to do is stop trying to request a new code or keep logging in over and over. Every new attempt can reset the timer and keep the restriction active longer. So take a breath, stop all verification attempts and let the account cool down. The next step is very important. Wait 24 to 48 hours without making any new verification or login attempts. I know that's frustrating, but in many cases, this is the real fix. Give X time to lift the temporary limit on your account and avoid checking repeatedly because that can make it seem like the error is not going away. While you're waiting, you can prepare the next step so you're ready to try again later. After the waiting period, clear your site data for X or Twitter. On your browser, go into Settings, find Privacy or Site Settings and clear cookies, cache and stored site data for x.com or twitter.com. This helps remove any corrupted session data that may be contributing to the login issue. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it before trying again. If the issue still continues, switch to a different network. For example, if you are on Wi-Fi, try mobile data. If you are on mobile data, try a trusted Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes, the network itself can trigger extra verification checks or temporary security flags, so changing networks can make a big difference. After switching networks, go back to X and try logging in one more time carefully, without rushing through repeated code requests. In many cases, that combination of waiting, clearing site data, and using a different network is enough to fix the verify phone attempts exceeded error. If the video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. And if you're still stuck, leave a comment and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.